Our roadways are increasingly crowded, which leads to longer queues. Rijkswaterstaat and service providers measure the real-time traffic situation and use this data to manage the traffic and try to influence travel behavior. However, the personal information of road users about their travel plans and their experiences on the road is currently not utilized. They know best what information they are looking for. Rijkswaterstaat wants to know how can personal information from individual travelers be utilized to minimize traffic congestion.
Let's go back to the origin of the problem. Traffic congestion appears when too many vehicles are on the same place at the same time. This happens every day when commuters travel between their home and job. If we can spread the current vehicles over alternative routes and time, we can minimize the daily congestion. To accomplish this, we should motivate the drivers to change their structural behavior. Did you know that 78% of the travelers in morning peak are commuters? That's why our solution starts with the origin of the problem, the companies. We need to make companies aware of their influence in creating traffic jams and make them responsible for getting their employees out of the traffic jam. To motivate companies, we created the Traffic Performance Ladder. The less traveled kilometers in congestion, the higher the score on the ladder and the higher the reward for the company. The incentive will be a monetary benefit for the company. A similar idea is the CO2 Performance Ladder. The client gives contractors a fictive discount based on their score. No punishing but rewarding for good behavior.
Can you help me to get a high level on the Traffic Performance Ladder?
Yes, we can. To help companies and individual travelers get as high as possible on the ladder, we synchronize agendas with the navigation systems. By planning a new appointment in the Outlook agenda, an employee not only gets personal route advice, but the departure time as well, based on personal information. The advantage of the synchronized agendas is that we can improve the reliability of travel predictions. After the trip, the traveler gets feedback. This feedback helps the road user to understand the effect of his choices and changes the travel behavior. You can see how much time you've won. With this device, avoiding traffic jams becomes fun. With our solution, we can motivate companies with a Traffic Performance Ladder, help employees with personal information and change their behavior by giving personal feedback. This way, we can start today using personal information to minimize the daily traffic congestion of tomorrow.